had a cabinet meeting today, and five items were taken up, and we have approved all the five items. The first item was the reclassification of category of IMFL brands, introduction of general brand category, revision of ad valorem on beer, amendment of Rule 4412, amendment of Rule 372(1)B, insertion of new Rule 71A, amendment of Rule 273, Rule 274, and introduction of Rule 41A of the Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rule 2025. Basically, these are all being done to restructure the rates and the prices in such a manner that we are able to be competitive in the market compared to different neighboring states. So this is a step towards ensuring that our pricing is competitive, and we expect that with that we will have increase in consumption, which we expect will also lead to increase in revenue. Our expected revenue increase because of these amendments that we're making is estimated to be 90 crores. The second decision of the cabinet today was the proposal for consideration of the recommendation of independent inquiry committee report to inquire into allegations and to record findings and make recommendations concerning the procurement, AT&C losses and human resource management of MECL and its three subsidiary companies. You are aware that this independent inquiry was set up, and after the department and other departments and the MECL and others having gone through all the aspects of this inquiry, it was presented to the cabinet today, and the cabinet has accepted this report. And after accepting this report, it has given instructions to the power department to ensure that all steps are taken to implement the different suggestions that have been made by this inquiry committee, and also to make this inquiry committee report public. So we'll be putting it on the website in the next couple of days so that it is made public for the people in general, and anybody can access this report. Number 3 was the proposal for approval of the cabinet for financial closure of the Saubhagya DDU-GJY additional infra schemes based on final verification report submitted by MEPDCL. So as you're aware that we had already submitted the physical closure report of these schemes to REC and to the respected agencies and departments in central government. But in certain cases, because of the pending inquiry and also because of the aspect of verification which we would want to do from our side, there was a slight delay, and ultimately the verifications have been done at different levels by the MEPDCL, and after conducting multiple verifications, they have come out with a final report, and in that final report, the MEPDCL and the power department have submitted that to the government. We have accepted that report today, and we have approved the financial closure of the Saubhagya DDU-GJY and the additional infra schemes. The fourth agenda or the item was proposal for amendment of the Meghalaya Electronics Processes Issuance and Service Execution Rules 2025. These are just basic amendments that were required as per the law, and there's not nothing major amendments that are there. It is just to make sure that our laws and rules are in line with the different acts, and also certain nomenclature points are there which are bare minimum. So this is nothing major decision, but just to ensure that the rules are in place, in line with the acts and the different provisions of central government. Number 5 was the agenda for the selection of chairperson and a member for the Meghalaya State Food Commission, and there was a recommendation that has come from the committee. There was a committee that was set up, and this committee has proposed the name of Shri D.P. Walang, IAS, to be appointed as chairperson post his superannuation, as chairperson of the Food Commission, State Food Commission, and Dr. Mishwa Tinkan, again retired officer, as member of the Meghalaya State Food Commission. So these two names were proposed, and the cabinet today has accepted both the proposals. So these were the 5 agendas that were taken up today.